I woke up with you on my mind. Watch the air turn as you breathe. Yeah, the morning feeling up your eyes, waking up the life in me. You set my soul on fire. You pull my heartbeat toward the sun. You give me new.
Si Ethan, since birth, sobrang adorable baby niya talaga. And ang dali-dali niyang alagaan. He only cries kapag gutom o kaya inaantok. Pero hindi siya talaga super crybaby. So, sobrang blessing kasi ang dali-dali niya talagang alagaan. Sobrang cute and pretty boy.
Build my anchor, throw it in your waves. Slow it down and call you home. You set my
Si Ethan, para sa akin, sobrang precious kasi first baby namin siya and ang sarap alagaan and sobrang kulit, sobrang bibo. Hindi siya mahirap alagaan tapos masigla, laging nakadikit sa akin.
Clingy baby kay daddy. My message to you, baby, is that we will do everything. We'll try our best to give you the best life. And mommy and daddy loves you very, very much.
Ethan, huwag kang mag-alala kasi andito kami lagi ng mom mo. Aalagaan ka namin at ibibigay namin lahat para sa iyo. Basta maging masigla ka lang, lumaki ka lang ng malusog at
Pogi.
stay pogi.
Stay pogi.
you give me new eyes open.
Ethan Raphael, I baptize you in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Hands up to the sky.